Και ο Υπουργός Ναυτιλίας, ο κύριος Δρίτσας, με τον Γενικό Γραμματέα, τον κύριο Θεοτοκά, είναι μαζί μας. Υπάρχουν τόσες πολλές αλλαγές και τόσους μεγάλους ενθουσιασμός και από τον κύριο Θεμιστοκλή Βόκο, ο οποίος μπαίνει και βγαίνει από την αίθουσα και μου λέει μπράβο που ενωθήκατε οι νέοι. Οπότε είναι όλος αυτός ο ενθουσιασμός φαίνεται στην αίθουσα. Τι να πω, πραγματικά είμαστε όλοι ένα σορτ πολύ γρήγορο από τον Γιώργο τον Αλεξανδράτο και το Ναυτικό Επιμελητήριο και προχωράμε το πρόγραμμά μας για να μιλήσει η Commissioner. Mrs. Bulc, in just 2 minutes you will come here to speak. Thank you very much.
Dear Commissioner Mrs. Bulc, dear Minister, dear General Secretary of the Ministry of Shipping, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very small address of 1 minute from the Greek Chamber of Shipping and the President of the Greek Chamber of Shipping, the new President, Mr. George Pateras. I want, please, from the bottom of my heart, a very big applause to this team of 10 people which begin and innovated this conference room to be fully crowded. Very big applause up to hall number 4. If I have to speak only 1 minute for Greek shipping, I would say those few things. We all know that Greek shipping today owes about the 22% of the total deadweight globally. But really, who knows instantly what is the population of the Greek citizens, the percent of the Greek population, the Greek citizens in the earth? We are the 0.15%. And the 0.15% owes the 22% of the global fleet. I have to encourage from the Greek Chamber of Shipping and all people who are involved in the Greek shipping that apart from being a ship owner or working in the merchant navy as a cadet, there are more than 25 or 30 categories that are involved directly or indirectly with the shipping. So, in the presence of our minister, with whom we have excellent cooperation and very mutual understanding, we kindly invite you to consider, with the Ministry also of Education, to get shipping into schools. Τα παιδιά στο σχολείο από την πρώτη λυκείου πρέπει να μάθουν τι σημαίνει ελληνική ναυτιλία and how many jobs can be offered for the Greek shipping community. The second practical step is that after many fruitful discussions, I have to announce you that very, very soon, the Greek shipping formal cluster will be under the auspices of the Greek Chamber of Shipping, and together with all organizations, we have to be united, we have to know what is Greece, and we have to promote us together and get connected. Last but not least, Mr. Vokos, I have to congratulate you for this nice exhibition. And that's George Alexandratos, because I didn't have the authority from the Greek Chamber of Shipping to tell that. Next Posidonia, I want to see in the entrance of the whole one, instead of Japan, Greece. Thank you very much.
Before inviting